Hey everybody, welcome back to Cues and Campus, Road to Pro. Today I'm going to do a quick review on some jump cues. I'm going to do a couple shots and tell you which ones I like better for each individual shot. So let's get to it. So to start out, I'm going to start with this custom Pat Devaney jump cue. The shaft is a diamond wood jump shaft with a quick release 3/8 10 joint. It is a 3-piece cue. And we're gonna do a nice medium jump shot. This is front weighted, so I do need to take off a lot of the power. Next, I'm going to use the 6060 hyper jump. I do notice that when it's jumping with this cue, the tip is a lot harder and it doesn't like to hold chalk, so I have to use a more kickier chalk. This is the Town jump tip, so I'm using a Mako chalk. It is a lot kickier than my normal Town V10 chalk, so it holds a lot more. Now I'll be using my Predator Airbrush. I'm just going to use my V10 chalk. Last, I'm going to use this custom jump cue I'm working on. This is a prototype. Nowhere close to finish. So I like the Pat Devaney for this length of the jump. It takes a lot less of the power, but since the weight is up front, it gives me a little bit more control. The airbrush has a lot of elevation that comes with it, so it makes it a lot easier for me to get over a ball. As you saw, the ball came off the table. The hyper jump, I feel like I have to hit harder to get the ball up, and I feel like I have a little bit less control than some of the others. So I would rank, for this shot, I do Pat Devaney at 1, the airbrush at 2, the hyper jump, and then my custom. Next, I'm gonna do a longer shot. I'm gonna focus more on accuracy. So start again with Pat Devaney. Set this here so I don't break my stuff. Next, I will do the hyper jump. Now the airbrush. Now So for distance and accuracy, I would rate the Airush at number 1. I feel like I have the perfect control for the distance, and the accuracy is pinpoint. I made it harder to pocket. The Hyper Jump at number 2. I felt very controlled getting over the ball with the distance. I did have to hit it a little bit harder than I would like to, but I felt a lot of control with it, so that was at number 2. The custom Pat Deveni jump cue, the weight on it was a little bit iffy. I felt like I had less control over my accuracy just because of the weight. And then my custom, of course, it's a prototype, so it's not going to be perfect, but it's a learning experience. But yeah, that's at number 4. So thank you for watching this video, and as always, stay with me and let's make every shot count.